the doors look good. I think you just need to like ruffle it, you know?
Yeah. So this is their first time seeing this outfit because I just recorded 15 minutes and it wasn't recording. And now we're already in this video and now you guys are here thinking, what are they talking about right now?
Well, this is his No Fear shirt that he likes to wear.
You can't even buy a No Fear shirt anymore.
Yeah.
But do you guys remember these from the 90s?
Yeah.
Do you remember them from the 90s?
No.
Why?
Because I wasn't born in the 90s.
So I was just telling them how I just did a bunch of tests on a live stream.
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh. Can't get this freaking thing in there. Gotta take a little back break. I did the injectors.
Uh-huh. What's that?
The injectors are these little things right here. Oh my gosh, that's sick.
Okay.
And it takes fuel.
Okay.
And it squirts it into the cylinders.
What's the cylinders?
Cylinders are like a chamber. This is great questions. I love this conversation. It's like an area, okay?
Okay.
So it squirts fuel in there. So
okay. Okay.
Fuel is in
like
there.
Like a fishbowl.
Like a fishbowl, yeah,
okay.
Yep. And so inside of that, now you have fuel, right?
Okay.
And
that's where cook the fire.
Ooh,
that's
yeah.
the car go.
She's jumping ahead. And then you got a spark plug, right? That's this guy right here.
Oh yeah, that's the thing you paid for.
Spark plug.
Yeah.
And so in there, it looks like a little piece of lightning.
Uh-huh.
And when that lights, it lights the fuel
uh-huh.
on fire.
And then you're ready to go.
So yeah, that spark plug. So I've been doing this compression test to make sure that the engine's healthy. And it is. It's completely healthy.
Oh, that's perfect.
It's a healthy engine.
That's perfect. What about the tires now? Are you going to get new tires?
I need to get new tires. So I'm at the point right now where I need to start spending some big money. So can I have some?
No, because the Tesla's dropped. So
Yeah.
maybe just wait. Yesterday was crazy.
This girl, she knows. She's talking about Tesla's stock drop yesterday.
You told me.
I know. But you listened. So now I'm poor. We're checking things off the list to...
It's like you're like the person before a flight on an airplane.
Right.
You're checking the airplane to see if it's able to fly well.
Oh. Nice girl. That's right. So I'm about to the point where I put the spark plugs back into it, and hopefully I put a couple.
That's how many spark plugs are in there?
There's actually 8. There's 6 right there. I know.
What?
So I'm going to replace the coolant temperature sensor, and then we're going to replace this IAC.
That looks like a pew-pew thing.
All right, guys, we're going to go live on her channel now. Hopefully, I'm sorry, my timeline is all jacked up. I hope this flow, this storyline is going okay. Hopefully I can make this all make sense. But if it doesn't, I apologize. I'm so sorry.
2, 1, glass spot.
Bam!
Dad, why not gloss black?
This is what it's gonna be.
We all voted gloss black, Dad. We all did.
Okay, all the injectors are on. So now I want to pull the IAC off. So now the IAC, idle air controller, get that bad boy out of there. I cleaned it up really well, as you can see there. I think that one might have been working, and I'm replacing it with a really cheap one. So I'm definitely going to hold on to the old one for this, because if I have a problem later on, I'll probably go after this. All right, so for the coolant temp, it's a 19. And I assume coolant's gonna come out of there. So we'll have the new one kind of ready to go in. Not that it really matters, because this is just rust water anyways. Okay, I got the new one ready to go. It's already got Loctite or some type of sealant on it, so we'll throw that in there. Oh, not much came out. All right, there's that bad right in there. Oh, she's gonna purr like a kitten now, boy. So both of these have now been replaced. The coolant temp and the IAC. I need to hook up these spark plugs, and I wanted to make sure that I have it exactly correct. So I printed it off again. I've done this before on the spark plug video, but I want to make sure that I have it 100%. So I got to go cylinder 1 up here in the front, and I'm gonna just take it one by one. So I know that this is my cylinder number 1 right here, and I am going to take this all the way around, plug it right into my cylinder number 1. 5's going down here.
No! God, please, no!
Shoot. I feel like 5 might have been hooked up to 7. I think that might have been my problem all along. This is a much shorter run. I think that was my problem. There's no reason I would have a longer one on there. That's crazy. I think 5 and 7 have been mixed up the whole time. Oh, I'm so excited to get this thing fired up now because I think that was it. All right, so I take this one off. So this is, yeah, see how this is a lot shorter? This one's supposed to be 7 and has the shortest run. So I'm gonna swap these around. Well, like you guys just saw, I'm pretty sure I had 5 and 7 mixed up, which makes me excited, also annoyed that that type of thing happened. And I spent a lot of time doing compression tests and doing fuel injectors and everything that goes into that, all because it might have been my mistake of mixing the 2 wires around. So, you live and you learn, I guess. I made a little fruit snack. I'm just gonna start it up like this. Put air in the tires, take it for a spin. See how it goes. Oh, I'm hoping this is gonna start up so good now. Jeepers creepers. That ain't right. Idle's set too high on that. But the idle's good. I think I need to, whoopsies.
What an idiot! Oh, what a loser!
Gotta take that out. I should have saw that. Nothing like a cold rev. Yes! That's it! That's it! That's a normal idle! It was a freaking spark plug. That's a perfect idle. I don't know why that's still beeping. Wow. Oh, it's so good. I don't know what that beep is. I got low voltage and no RPMs. I do have speed. Oh, we're good, baby. I gotta roll my window down. Oh my gosh, it's running so much better. And that beeping stopped. Alternator is not charging. Great successful first run. No voltage on there, that's kind of interesting. Alternator, not alternate. Listen to that idle though. 100 times better. Oh my God, that's so good. 12.2. Looks like the alternator is putting out 10. 12.2 though, it should be way higher than that. Yes. I can't believe that. That problem with the idle the entire time was because a 5 and 7 were mixed up. That sucks. I wonder why it's not showing up on the dash. Why a lot of stuff isn't showing up on the dash. I guess that's the next thing to figure out. Let me just try doing another just cold start right on it without touching the throttle, just breathing on the key. Perfect. Oh yeah, we're going for rides tonight. My girls are gonna be so impressed. All right, get ready for some rides with the girls. Okay guys, I've gathered the family around because the car is running mint now. High five, high five, high five. Mint. So, there's a little bit of a problem, a little bit of a mix-up. I explained it to the viewers, but I haven't explained it to you guys.
Okay.
So there's wires that go down to the spark plugs, right? There's 8 of them because it's a V8. And that's what it is. It's a V. So it goes like this.
How are you doing?
Yeah. So anyways, I had 2 of the wires mixed up. I had 5 and 7
That'll
mixed
happen.
up. And so it was making it pop and act all weird.
5 and 7.
And now, just breathe on the key. And it boom, runs and idles like a champ.
Oh, so
Come on, let's go check it out.
so it breathes like this.
Just like that.
It's not loud?
Oh, it's still loud.
Oh.
Oh.
Don't you worry about loud. It's not as loud, I don't think. Keys on, and we'll just breathe on it. So you'll get on the other side. It's got a little bit more room.
Okay.
Oh, oopsies.
Why am I scared? I don't want something to happen.
Nothing will happen. I can't say that. Something might happen, but you got me right here. I'm here to protect you.
We're a fire
not say
extinguisher.
Do not say that.
Just don't step on the floor too much.
What? Why?
It may fall through.
Dad, stop it.
Just don't jump on it.
Yeah, don't jump on it.
Really?
Yeah. And you can move that seat forward if you need to.
I'm scared.
Ooh, what do you think back there?
Scary.
Scary? Oh, you even brought your iPad. I will say you wanted to film. You're not watching a movie in the back. All right. How does it feel up there?
Not a lot of leg room. I'm just kidding. It's really nice. Oh, there's fungi in there.
Girls.
I'm just kidding. I could never believe that this was gonna happen.
It still kind of smells weird though.
This is crazy.
What'd you say?
It still kind of smells weird.
You smell weird.
No, you smell weird. That's what.
Can I use the seatbelts?
If you want to. I don't think we really need it.
I'm burning hot in here. I'm sorry.
Burning hot? Okay, we're shutting the door. We're going.
No,
We're going.
Am I falling down the golf cart?
Yeah. Actually, I don't need to film me. We need to film you guys. I'm gonna put a camera up here.
Okay. I'm excited. No, I'm like really proud of my dad because low-key, I like could never believe that he would be able to do it. So I'm like really proud. But he did good. He'd been working so hard on this. For Pete's sake, he stressed himself so out that he went to the hospital. But I think this is really crazy. Man, you got a little dirt on your knee.
Got a little dirt on your knee. Oh, our door's in the... That's okay. We'll just pull ahead. All right, here we go. Firing it up. Firing the hole. We're actually in here.
I can feel the engine. No way.
I can take your top out.
You can?
Yeah. Can we do that?
Sure.
Should we?
I kind of want to.
How's that, baby? Hey, now you got some air. I can't get we try a burnout?
No.
You gotta try a burnout.
No. I want to get out, but I actually want to have fun.
She wants to get out, but she wants to have fun too.
This is so fun.
You want some radio? Does that make you happy?
Oh my gosh, she's actually radio! How do I get out? Enjoy your guys' date.
Baby, come in for a date.
Oh my gosh. Flashbacks of 2002.
I didn't have a No Fear shirt on back then.
Yeah.
And we didn't have these things. We didn't have those things either. This is just like what we used to do. Take you out for a little date.
We got a half of a sunroof.
I haven't gotten this one out yet.
Dad will edit this part.
Yeah. No, go to the left. Oh my gosh, yeah, she runs good.
Just got that little thumpy thump.
Yeah, it's like a little motion.
Yeah, right?
We're on a date.
Oh, how cute!
Back in my day.
Back in high school.
Peace out.
Who wants to do a swapperoo? Back, baby.
Hi! It's so fun in here. It has legit radio.
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna be like old music. So good. I just wanna be hurt. I just wanna be hurt. I just wanna be hurt.
Yeah, buddy.
It survived! That's good.
It's like an old lady. It's like, it's been a while.
You can't just go and
Oh, you can't floor
You
it
can't
like
just-
that.
go and do a burnout. after
Yeah.
30
Girl, I love you
years.
as a photographer. Success!
Yes.
I guess
for
it is a
sure.
success.
We're so proud of you.
Thank you guys.